Hello guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for USAA auto insurance. So all you have to do is join now here in the USAA.com, and as you can see, you will have to actually join now, and then it will have to evaluate if you don't qualify or qualify for USAA membership. So here you can do auto insurance, home insurance, life insurance, rental car, but we're gonna do your auto insurance. So basically we'll go back again and continue the questions. So basically when you get one, just go to get auto ID, join USAA, and you'll likely be needed to have to join the US Armed Forces or have someone who is. So basically that is all you have to do. So here we'll just select random ranks, and as you can see our status, and let's just do that. Okay, so here you'll have to fill up this information, of course, but basically when you apply for this, you'll be eligible for your auto insurance, and then this is how it will look like. You'll have to place your name, the status of your marriage, and the date of birth, and the driver's license basically. So next you will have your vehicle type right here. So from there, your vehicle use, coverages, and then you'll get your code instantly. It's just that simple. So that is how you apply for USAA auto insurance. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.